Hello. A quick one here. Welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing, your girl. Yes, today we're going to be looking at communication basis. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this video and where you're watching from. You're welcome. You're welcome. I am so excited. That we are here this morning. I am so excited that we are going to talk about something that will help us. I am so excited that you are here on this channel. If you're just dropping by, please click the red subscribe button right now and join this family. Yes, join this family. I said that. Then like this video. Please like this video. It will encourage me to do more videos and we will all get value together. You're welcome. Thank you. We're going to go ahead today. I'm going to be looking at learn how to communicate, but we're going to start from the communication basis, the beginning of communication. Remember that for communication to come true, you have to listen to your partner. Your partner has to listen to you. It has to do with words, exchange of words, information. Now if I'm as I'm talking, I'm not communicating with somebody here, but I know people are there watching me, listening to what I'm saying. And sometimes when you now send me your feedback, say, this thing you said, why is it like this? And I now reply you. That's communication. That's communication because you heard what I said, you sent me your feedback, and also I replied you. So please, whatever feedback and questions you have, please send in the comment section, and I'll be so glad to reply you. Thank you. Let's go on. Now, learning how to communicate effectively in a relationship without any negative vibes is a skill that is needed to make a relationship work well. It's a skill that you as a person needs to work well, as in to work in an environment, even if it's in your office, even if it's in a relationship you're keeping among friends. Learning how to communicate effectively without negative vibes is very important. Yes, it's very important. It's not just in relationships, but both in your workplace, in your business place. Learning how to communicate effectively, it is very important, because when we communicate and we have these negative vibes that comes up from us, people would just like, it's either they run away from you or they wouldn't want to work with you. And you know that even in the working environment, that would bring you some issues. So but now we're looking, especially in our relationship, learning how to communicate without negative emotion will help us to create a platform that will make our partner to be comfortable. Yes, that will make our partners to be comfortable. If you're a woman, the way you talk to your husband, the way you communicate with your husband will make your husband to be comfortable talking to you. The same thing with the man. The way you communicate with your wife will make her to be comfortable to discuss with you, to open up to you. Yes. Effective communication is important in every relationship. Now, we're going to be looking at some points to consider when you're trying to create this effective communication, when you're trying to make this to have this effective communication with your partner, with your business client, anybody. Now let's go ahead. The first one I'm going to looking at is avoid using cold shoulder. The cold shoulder treatment, I as a person, personally I don't like it. The cold shoulder treatment that most people give to their partners, their business partner, their relationship partner, their husband, their wife, whosoever it is. That cold shoulder treatment is a turn off. The cold shoulder treatment is what? A turn off. When you treat somebody, that silent treatment, like the person is trying to have a communication, have a conversation with you, and you keep giving the person the cold treatment. The person is trying to, how was your day yesterday? The person wants to know how your day was, and you keep giving the person that cold shoulders, that silent treatment. Please, it is not not advisable, because you will not get that conducive environment, that comfortable environment that will make you to discuss. Like now, if you want to have a business meeting with somebody and you're not giving the person the kind of vibes that will make the person to be interested to discuss with you. What do you expect? It's not just in our relationships, but in your business too, in your place of work too. That cultural treatment is not good. Now, on that thing is learning how to communicate with someone with respect. Very, very important element. Communicate with your partner, communicate with your friend, communicate with your business partner with respect. Stop making disregarding words remarks, disrespectful remarks when a conversation is going on. This disregarding remark will only contribute negatively. It will not give you any positive contribution. It will contribute negatively to you, and that is it. It will bring about an unpleasant situation when you're constantly giving somebody that disrespectful and disregarding remarks during communication, trying to hurt the other party as much as possible may seem satisfactory. I'm really hurting this person, but in the long term, is it going to pay? In the long term, the situation might go beyond repair. The relationship might go beyond repair. When you make those disregarding, disrespectful comments about somebody, you might be satisfied at that particular point in time. But after that time, what happens? After that time, how will you handle the situation that comes up from this? When your partner tries to speak with you, most of us, that is the time we claim that we are busy. The person just talk to you, you snub the person, you just give the person any kind of answer that you deem fit, thinking that, oh, in fact, I have the right to behave in this particular manner. But sister, brother, whether it is in a relationship, dating relationship, marriage relationship, business relationship, will you be able to stand what it will cause in the long run? Please think about this today. Communication is very, very important in our relationships, not just a man and woman relationship, in your business, in your place of work. How do you talk to people? How do you talk to people? Go to bed with this. Think about it today. How do you relate with people around you? How do you talk to people? How do you answer people when they talk to you? Do you know that proper communication opens doors? Do you know that? People might like you just for the fact that you know how to talk. You know how to communicate. You have this positive vibes about you. People might just love you for that reason. Think about this. Before the video ends, thank you for staying with me. I just think about these tips I've given you today. But please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and you can click the bell notifications so that you will be notified each time I upload videos like this. Thank you. Bye. Love you.